Hi, this is David Burch. I'm a certified Tai Chi and Qigong instructor. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning visitor, I want to let you know that this is meant to be a workshop. This is meant to be a retreat, like a reset, like a weekend reset. The original idea from this came last year whenever I created the Riverside Healing Waters Retreat, and I did Tai Chi and Qigong over a 2-day retreat. A lot of people couldn't make it to that retreat, so this year I decided to do it online. I hope you enjoy it. Let's begin. Here's a simple meditation. All you do is listen for the end of the sound. Let's end with the still point meditation. Just a relaxed and focused mind, moving from point to point, from the top of the head, each shoulder, the heart, each hip, and the belly button. So follow me and close your eyes and inhale, feeling the top of your head. One shoulder, the other shoulder, the heart, hip, the other hip, belly button, top of the head, shoulder, other shoulder, heart, hip, hip, belly button, top of the head, shoulder, shoulder, heart, hip, hip, navel, you should now be at the still point. Enjoy the sanctuary that you built for yourself right now. Fill it up with the good emotions. Love, joy, courage, peace, gratitude, start a chain of what you're grateful for. If you are well fed, if you have a roof over your head, if you are loved, if you love, if you have special people in your life, special memories, be thankful for just being alive and being able to experience the good with the bad. And when you're ready to come out, simply slowly blink open your eyes. And look around you. And listen. Feel. How do you feel inside of you? Physically, emotionally, mentally. What do you smell? What do you taste? Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you can build a daily practice. I hope you can find something that brings you peace, brings you enjoyment, something to remove and relieve stress in your life.